Hi there! Welcome to another How to Draw video. This time we're going to draw a majestic unicorn. We're going to sketch out some basic shapes for the picture using a pencil or light crayon. Then we'll draw the final line work with a pen or darker pencil. So, let's start with the guide shapes. Begin just under halfway up the page with a circle for the rear hips. Then a bigger, slightly ovalish shape for the front of the body. Above that, draw another circle for the head and a smaller one to the right of the head shape for the nose. For the rear thigh, draw an elongated egg shape, and then off the bottom of that shape, draw a kind of sausage shape off to the left. Then another sausage down from the end of that shape. Draw a small circle for an ankle joint, and then a sort of right-angled triangle for the hoof. Now the front leg. The shoulder is a different shape to the thigh. Draw a sort of rectangle that tapers a little to the bottom. A long sausage shape for the top part of the leg leads to another sausage shape. Make this one taper a little too. Draw the hoof at the bottom of that shape. Let's fill out the body of the unicorn a little. Draw a line for the back that sags a little between the hips and shoulders. Then a line for the belly that sags a little more. Draw lines up from the shoulder shape to the head shape, and that's the neck. For the head, draw 2 lines from the head to the nose, and then add in an ear too. Now add a mane. Start with a little quiff in front of the ear, and then a lovely flowing mane down the neck to the back. It's going to overlap the neck slightly, so draw a line up that tucks just behind the ear. Do some similarly swooshy lines for a long tail that flows out behind. Now let's add in the remaining legs. Draw the same shapes as you did for the other legs, but they'll be in different positions. Now just add some long hair at each ankle, and that should do it, right? Fun fact, this hair is known as feathering. Now, can you think of anything we've forgotten on our unicorn? Of course, his horn. With all our guidelines done, we can now start drawing the final line work. Grab your pen and let's get started. Draw a long line that goes along the back and down the rear thigh, and then another line from the knee down to the hoof. Another line up to the shin and all the way around to meet the body. On to the front leg. Draw down from the shoulder, around the sort of elbow, and then another line down to the hoof. Another up from the hoof and around to the shoulder, letting the line overlap the joint slightly. Add in a little wrinkle of skin where that line meets the shoulder, and draw a short line for the top of the leg. Going back to the back leg, draw around the belly from a little along that line to make it look like the line is coming from just behind the leg, which helps to add depth. Stop that line when it goes behind the front leg, picking it up again to draw the neck. Now for the head. We'll be adding a little variation to the guidelines here, so pay attention. Draw a line that overlaps the neckline slightly, that curves up and down ever so slightly before curving up a touch into the nose shape. This is to form the lower lip. Start a line at the left edge of the nose shape and draw down to make a smile that meets the end of the line you just drew. Carry your line on to meet the edge of the circle shape, then bring the line up, just cutting off the edge of the guide shape to form the nose of our unicorn. Then continue the line along the top of the head, stopping when you reach the horn. Draw in the horn, and then the ear, before following the guidelines we drew for the mane. You can overlap a couple of the lines to give the mane some body. Do the same for the tail. While we're adding in all this hair, let's finish up the hooves. Follow the guide shapes to draw the floofy hoof hair and then the hoof underneath. Do the same for the front leg, the hair, and then the hoof. Now draw the other legs, the front one first. Draw up to the knee. Let that line overlap the next line down to the hoof. Draw the top of the leg all the way round to the hoof, then the feathering, and finally the hoof. Repeat the process with the back leg. A long line for the top of the leg to the hoof, then one line to the knee joint. Then let that line overlap the next line to the hoof. Draw the feathering, and then yes, you guessed it, the hoof. We're almost done with our unicorn, but he still needs some finishing touches. A little smile wrinkle at the corner of his mouth, a nostril, then his eye, a raised cheek to show he's smiling which overlaps his open eye slightly. Now just add in an opening on his ear and some flowing lines to add texture and definition to his mane and tail. Finally, draw some curving lines up his horn to make it look all spirally. And we're finished! What a majestic sight!